Nativity High Secondary School Mawkyrwat Kalong Lahduh hak lempung ilek kai jong 11 Southwest Kasil District level in the school athletics mean raja arsan bala pelong haruwa Lyngba stadium Mawlanggur Southwest Kasil District laban kedo ba kajingra jong Nativity High Secondary School Mawkyrwat ya kanam Lahduh kadeiru hak sien ke bahinyo haba menta ka kenti kalayo hado kat pratali kita kemaksial kalai tali takma rupa bat khatway kitakma renong haka march past bat lara ya kanam Lahduh dak Little Star Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat ya kani kelimpuk lapenyat dok offers Jong District Sports Officer DSO ka Southwest Kasil District ringkat ka Langba ka Southwest Kasil Athletics Association hakaba ukongsan hakani ka sengi udai upa DP Mukti Ubadai Executive Engineer Jangka Office Water Resources Southwest Kasil District Gumkongsan. Laban kedo bahaga ni kelempung ilek kai jangki kena sekolah sedang naduh ka arpulai terek bat lapen kut menta kasengi arpsan terek wiayong arhaza arpsan hakabaki dan barok lai pun riew teli ki skul bat riew spa nyopongot ki kena ki baya shementa haki jadi ni kai ba per kat ba haka march pass pat kidan kat wait li ki skol ki wei de ki bedan lang ki kynhup yu ba damang sengkon district sports officer ka Southwest Kasil District uba b kharjana MPS additional superintendent jong ki pulen ka Southwest Kasil District uba LT Taryang MCS additional deputy commissioner Southwest Kasil District lembat ki wei de kynhup ya ki noi kai bat ki kena skol.
Khubor lang nongsynshar and placard bearer shemphang Lyngba Marshilo. And the last school in sequence, number 11, contingents of Kerala Secondary School, led by
flag bearer Ivan Donnam Nongrem and placard bearer Safi Daniel Kaur John.
I hereby declare that the school athletics meet 2025 of Southwest Kasil District hereby closed.
The overall team champion of the 11th Southwest Kasil District level.
Higher Secondary School, came here. Came here. Came here. Came here. Came here. Let's give Nativity Higher Secondary Second.
The winners of the marching contingent.
Boys.
Dapi Wan Sara. Give a big hand to Latenpang Lyngba, the best athlete. big hand. The runners-up, Boot, Jakram Press.
Now for the best athletes under 6.
Once again, a big round of applause.
And the first prize.
Rebelda Collier and Juliet Case Imlay. Second position.
1, 2, 3.
And humility that I stand here today as the chief guest at this esteemed sport meet organized by the Office of the District Sport Officer, Southwest Hills, Mawkyrwat. I will begin by congratulating all the young athletes for their enthusiasm, dedication and exemplary sportsmanship. As we know, sports are a vital part of our holistic development, fostering qualities such as discipline, teamwork, resilience and perseverance. Today's event is a testimony to the spirit of healthy competition and camaraderie among our youth. I urge all the participants to carry forward these lessons beyond the sport field into every aspect of your life. I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to the District Sports Officer and his dedicated team. Your unwavering commitment, meticulous planning and hard work have been instrumental in bringing this event to fruition. Your effort exemplify true leadership and service to everyone involved in making this event successful. Your collective effort have created an inspiring platform for our young talents. It is through your support and such events continue to strive and motivate our students to pursue excellence. In closing, I encourage all of you to embrace the spirit of sportsmanship, to learn from each game, and to continue striving your greatness in all your endeavor. May this event inspire your dream, hard work, and uphold the value of integrity and respect. Thank you and wish all the participants the very best. God bless. Thank you.